All right, so Jeff, your pick for us has had a big run up in recent days. I'm looking since their investor day back on September the 12th. Shares are up over 13%. It's Oracle. I think my first question for you, do you think all the gains are already priced in? I mean, Oracle raised its guidance. They had a lot of bullish things to say during that investor day, and we're seeing the upside move. I mean, what's left for this stock?
I think there's a lot left for this stock, Frank. And if you look at Oracle, you know I get apprehensive on the Mag 7. You've seen so much of this AI theme being priced in, but Oracle, it's not in the Mag 7. It's not even in the top 25 of the S&P 500, Frank. It's number 26 at $500 billion in market cap. So I think the AI theme is just coming into the database king. When you look at this database giant, has the ability, of course, we saw some rumors that OpenAI may be partnering in their infrastructure for their cloud, but I think Oracle has more room to run. Despite the fact we saw a new all-time high, I think this is just getting warmed up and has the ability, as anything AI has gone up, but this is a name that's really been under the radar. We actually own it in our Essential 40 portfolio for the last 2 years, so it's nice to see that people and investors are starting to realize the value of this hidden gem.
All right, so you're talking about the value. I want to talk about valuation, if you don't mind. So when it comes to being a hyperscaler, I understand the potential for that OpenAI collaboration, but Oracle's kind of like the fifth beetle. It's outside the big three. They've had partnerships with NVIDIA, but it's still a smaller player. And then when you look at the valuation, I'm looking at Alphabet. Alphabet's valuation is about 20, 21 times forward earnings. And I see Microsoft, a more richly valued player, about 32 times forward earnings. But they definitely have the OpenAI collaboration. Don't you see Oracle potentially as kind of a rich valuation for somebody that's kind of in the middle and not really a leader in the space?
I have a hard time when you say valuation and AI in the same sentence, Frank.
Okay.
We have not really utilized valuation. But Microsoft, you bring up a great point, and why I'm a differentiator here and why I want to add to the position that we've already established in Oracle is due to the fact that Microsoft is now looking to have more competition in Oracle. So I think there is room for this. Anything AI has been the theme since 2023, but right now, Oracle has the opportunity with OpenAI. We'll see what that partnership looks like if they solidify, if they're going to be really going into their databases in Texas. If that's the case, I think there's another 25 or 50% higher in the stock, just like the same way NVIDIA, we have seen it run. I don't think it's that far out of context with this $500 billion market cap company, which seems like a micro cap when you compare it to NVIDIA.
All right, if you say valuations out the window, I mean, it's hard to really go back and forth with you on this one, Jeff. I want to go to your other pick, another high valuation name, that's Tesla. Big event for Tesla coming up later today, the robotaxi event.
I heard about it.
You might have heard a few things, seen a few things online. Do you have confidence that Elon Musk is going to deliver on all promises and meet all expectations, or is there some other thing you're seeing in this stock?
Oh, I think there's always a question mark, and I think as a Tesla investor, a Tesla trader, you become conditioned. If we go back to 2019, he promised that the robo-taxis would be out within a year. Here we are in 2024, but I do get excited about this unveiling today, and I think actually you look pretty good in one of these new Tesla vans they're talking about, these robo-taxi vans. It'd be good for the 6-foot-plus fellows like ourselves. But what's interesting about Tesla, I think it is an inflection point. They continue to see this FSD, this full self-driving, be delayed. But if they do have some form or fashion of a promise within a year, or if they have this lower priced Tesla, I think it could be game changing for the stock. It is a very emotional stock. I'm not denying that. It's become a very political stock. I try to remove the politics from the stock, which is next to impossible. But I really think this is the best and most pure artificial intelligence play, and that's why I own Tesla, and that's why I think the stock, which is 40% off its all-time high, has the ability to move higher.